Are you feeling discomfort in your mind, fog in your memory, or a loss of mental sharpness? What if I told you that a simple cup of tea could be a game changer in the fight against cognitive decline and could improve your mental energy? Would that surprise you? Today, we're going to explore 4 powerful types of tea that are not only soothing and delicious, but have also been proven to reduce brain inflammation, improve memory, and naturally enhance focus and clarity. This isn't another passing health trend. Far from it. These teas are loaded with nutrients and neuroprotective compounds, and they're being recommended by doctors and neuroscience experts to individuals over 50 who want to stay sharp without pills. You're in the right place if you're ready to boost your focus, feel sharper, and effectively fight memory loss. And if you're a senior who cares about your health, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Each week, we share practical, natural health tips to help you live a longer, healthier, and stronger life. Stay with us until the very end, because the last tea on this list is one you've probably never heard of, and it might soon become your favorite daily habit. Let's dive in. Tea number 1. Green tea. The L-Theanine and EGCG powerhouse. Green tea, the most well-known variety, is a focus-rich powerhouse your brain will love. Let's start by talking about green tea, one of the most underappreciated superfoods hiding in plain sight. You might think of tea as just a light beverage. However, green tea is an entirely different story. Compared to traditional black tea, this antioxidant-rich version contains a unique combination of L-Theanine and EGCG. That's more significant than you might imagine, especially for people over 50. Why? Because as we age, we naturally lose focus, and our brains become more susceptible to inflammation. L-Theanine is an amino acid that promotes a state of calm alertness, vital for concentration, learning, and preventing anxiety. EGCG is the powerful antioxidant essential for fighting oxidative stress. By drinking green tea, you're giving your brain the fuel it needs to stay sharp and flexible. But that's not all. Green tea is also a fantastic source of catechins, which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds reduce inflammation from within, especially in the brain. In fact, studies have shown that EGCG can influence immune function and lower key markers of inflammation in the brain. This means green tea not only nourishes your mind, but also fights inflammation at its root. And here's the best part. It's incredibly versatile. You can drink it hot or cold. It's simple, affordable, and highly effective. But green tea is just the beginning. The next tea on our list includes a hidden ingredient that takes brain support to an entirely different level, something most people don't talk about. Tea number 2. Turmeric-infused tea. Nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Let's discuss a tea that offers medicinal benefits along with hydration. This second tea isn't your average herbal blend. It's made with turmeric. This simple combination has been quietly gaining attention among researchers and health professionals for its strong anti-inflammatory benefits. Here's why. One of the most studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds worldwide is curcumin, found in turmeric. Multiple studies have shown that curcumin can clear amyloid plaques, improve memory, and even slow cognitive decline, particularly in adults over 50. But there's a small challenge. Curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body. This is where a simple trick comes in handy. Since curcumin is fat-soluble and requires healthy fats to unlock its effects, mixing turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, and a splash of coconut milk, a healthy fat, significantly boosts absorption and effectiveness. Furthermore, reducing systemic inflammation is crucial, as neuro-inflammation is a key driver of Alzheimer's and dementia. When you combine turmeric with black pepper and a healthy fat, you get a tasty, soothing brew that works with your body, not against it. It's easy to make at home and often works better than many over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs without side effects. So, if you wake up with brain fog or mental slowness, this golden blend might become your new go-to ritual. However, here's the catch. While turmeric tea is highly effective, it doesn't provide one specific benefit your brain needs: improved circulation. That's exactly what we find in the third tea, something most people completely overlook. Tea number 3, ginkgo biloba tea. A blood flow. Boost your brain is waiting for. If you've been dealing with constant brain fog, memory lapses, or mental fatigue, you're not alone. This third tea might be exactly what your body has been craving. Meet ginkgo biloba tea, a rising star in functional nutrition. This potent, nutrient-rich cup offers targeted support for brain health. Now, let's discuss what truly distinguishes it from other types. Unlike ordinary tea, this version is known for one primary function: improving blood flow. You might know it's good for circulation, but why is it important for brain fog and memory? Let's break it down carefully. Research has shown that ginkgo biloba, especially its active compounds, can widen blood vessels, reduce platelet stickiness, and improve cerebral microcirculation. This is a daily battle for countless people living with cognitive decline. These essential compounds act at the cellular level, increasing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your brain. This is the body's natural fuel delivery system that allows your brain to function smoothly, without fatigue. When combined with the antioxidants found in the tea, you get a twofold advantage. Antioxidants fight oxidative stress, which is closely tied to inflammation. Ginkgo, in contrast, tackles the delivery of fuel. What's the final outcome? Less fog, easier recall, and improved energy in your brain. All this can come from a simple cup of tea. It's simple, it's affordable, and it can significantly change how your brain feels each morning. But here's where it gets fascinating. Even with all these focus-boosting, anti-inflammatory, and circulation-enhancing teas, there's still one that stands out for something truly remarkable. Inside it lies a rare set of nutrients that helps rebuild the neural pathways themselves. And surprisingly, very few people are talking about it. The fourth variety, lion's mane mushroom tea, often called the smart mushroom for your brain. If you followed along this far in our journey through healing teas, congratulations, because what you're about to learn could be life-changing, not just for your taste buds, but for your memory, your clarity, your mood, and every aging cell in your brain. Welcome to the fourth tea, lion's mane mushroom tea. This isn't just another trendy superfood or a label to glance at in the health aisle. It's a true ally in the fight against aging, brain fog, and degenerative brain problems. If inflammation is the fire and poor circulation is the fuel, then lion's mane tea is the water that helps extinguish the flames, rebuilding what time has slowly worn down. Let's take a moment to see the full picture. Our brain also depends on a vast network of synapses and protective sheaths. In fact, these tissues truly determine the health of your mind, not just the brain cells themselves. We're talking about neurons, synapses, and the myelin sheath that links all these parts, providing speed and flexibility. And what is the key element they all need to stay strong, flexible, and fast? Nerve growth factor, or NGF. Simply put, it's what holds our memory together. Now comes the crucial point. Your natural NGF production starts to drop as early as your mid-20s. By the time you reach your 50s or 60s, your body produces far less of it. This isn't just a cosmetic issue. It's a structural change that impacts memory, focus, and recovery from daily stress. Most importantly, it affects the level of clarity you experience. Without enough NGF, your neural pathways start to wear out. Your brain loses plasticity, becomes less efficient, and is more prone to damage as time passes. Add a few decades of daily stress and possible inflammation, and suddenly your brain starts buffering like a slow computer. This is where lion's mane tea truly shines. This mushroom is naturally loaded with compounds that promote NGF synthesis within your body. Unlike regular teas, lion's mane is intentionally consumed to repair and strengthen. Imagine giving your cells the raw materials needed to rebuild your brain from within. Let's dive into the details. The first nutrients to look for are hericenones and erinacines. These are unique compounds found only in lion's mane that are small enough to cross the blood-brain barrier and stimulate the production of nerve growth factor. This factor acts like a molecular connector, helping neurons repair and form new connections. It also serves as a powerful antioxidant, protecting existing neurons. The good news? Pairing lion's mane with other brain foods rich in vitamin C, like berries, is the ideal combination. Now, let's move to BDNF. This other compound, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, plays a crucial role in neurogenesis. It helps activate enzymes that support efficient brain function. When lion's mane is consumed, it promotes BDNF, which is like Miracle-Gro for your brain, helping to repair and regenerate tissues and cells within the brain. In fact, insufficient BDNF levels are associated with depression and cognitive decline, exactly what you want to avoid. And here's where it all gets exciting. Making your own brain-boosting brew at home is far easier than you might imagine. Start with a simple, high-quality green tea. Next, add a scoop of unflavored lion's mane powder, easily found online or in health stores. This alone provides a significant dose of these unique compounds. Then add half a cup of berries on the side for that essential vitamin C boost. Want an additional anti-inflammatory edge? A pinch of turmeric and black pepper can elevate it even further. The final result is a nutrient-dense superfood that's not only flavorful, but also offers molecular-level nourishment for your brain. It's also important to emphasize that this isn't just another passing trend. A growing body of scientific evidence supports the benefits of lion's mane. It has been shown to reduce memory loss and improve cognition in individuals with mild cognitive impairment. In one notable clinical trial, participants experienced significant improvements in cognitive function after taking daily lion's mane supplements for 16 weeks. This demonstrates that the goal isn't just to feel better, but to think better, focus more easily, and recall more. But the benefits of lion's mane don't end with cognitive health. Remember, it also helps repair the gut lining and has been shown to reduce anxiety and depression. So, while you're nourishing your brain, you're also calming your nerves and healing your gut. It's almost like pressing the rewind button on the aging process, inside and out. This is what it truly means to nourish your whole body. And it all starts with just one scoop in your daily tea. Let's zoom out for a moment. The brain-boosting potential of lion's mane doesn't work alone. It's most effective when paired with other brain-supportive habits, like incorporating omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation and consuming probiotics to heal the gut. Each of the tea types discussed earlier lays the foundation for these benefits. Anti-inflammatory tea, turmeric, helps soothe the brain. Focus-rich tea, green, strengthens the mind. Tea enhanced with ginkgo acts as a fuel delivery system. And now, lion's mane tea completes the puzzle by giving your body the tools to restore what's been damaged. This is what it truly means to transform your brain health from within, rather than just managing the symptoms of fog. And perhaps the best part is its complete accessibility. That's empowering. Healing becomes something tangible, right in your hands, and even in your mug. So remember this. The next time your mind feels foggy or your memory seems to slip, relief doesn't always come from removing something. It often comes from restoring what your body truly needs. Lion's mane tea does exactly that. It not only soothes, but also rebuilds. It not only comforts, but revitalizes. And beyond quenching your thirst, it strengthens you from within. So, what's really in your tea? You're not just drinking, you're healing. When your brew is packed with NGF promoters, antioxidants, and circulation boosters, you're giving your body the tools to reduce fog, ease decline, and rebuild strength from the inside out. Consistency is what makes the difference. And if this information helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Someone you know might also need this simple yet powerful remedy. Thanks for watching. Always remember, One mindful cup a day can make your brain and your entire body feel renewed.